In a dramatic turn of events, Wall Street was rattled by President Donald Trump's announcement of sweeping new tariffs, sending shockwaves through financial markets worldwide. The S&P 500 plummeted 4.8%, marking its worst day since the pandemic's onset in 2020. The Dow Jones Industrial Average and the Nasdaq Composite also experienced significant declines. The announcement of a minimum 10% tariff on imports, with even higher rates for goods from countries like China and the European Union, has raised alarm bells about potential economic repercussions. Analysts warn that these tariffs could slash U.S. economic growth by 2% and push inflation close to 5%, raising fears of a looming recession. Investors were caught off guard by the severity of the tariffs, described by experts as a worst-case scenario. The market's reaction was swift and severe, with stocks across various sectors taking a hit. Even traditionally safe havens like gold saw declines, highlighting the pervasive fear gripping investors. Amidst this turmoil, President Trump remained optimistic, downplaying the market's reaction and predicting a booming economy. However, experts caution that the markets may actually be underreacting to the potential long-term impacts. The Federal Reserve now faces a challenging decision: whether to cut interest rates to support the economy or grapple with rising inflation concerns. As Treasury yields tumble, the Fed's options are limited, with inflationary pressures already mounting due to the tariffs. Despite the current economic growth and stable job market, the threat of stagnation looms large. Reports indicate that while some sectors like transportation and finance are still expanding, growth is weaker than expected. Globally, stock markets echoed Wall Street's distress, with major indexes in Europe and Asia experiencing sharp declines. As investors brace for further volatility, the economic landscape remains fraught with uncertainty. In conclusion, Trump's tariffs have unleashed a financial shock reminiscent of the pandemic's early days, leaving investors and economists grappling with the potential fallout. As the world watches closely, the coming days will be crucial in determining whether these tariffs are a temporary disruption or a harbinger of more significant economic challenges ahead.